Hi and welcome. My name is Ekamini Robert. In this video, I'm going to share with us how to connect your website to Cloudflare. Like you have a hosting in some hosting platform, and so you want to connect it to Cloudflare. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to go about that. So many reasons why people want to move to Cloudflare is because their domain names are cheap and the price is constant. Unlike you go to say Namecheap or GoDaddy, you buy a domain name $6 for the first year, and after that it's like $19, $16. Like it's too costly. So many people have moved to Cloudflare. So maybe you have a name on a domain name on Cloudflare and you want to connect it to Namecheap. Not just Namecheap, any other hosting platform that you choose. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using Namecheap hosting, the EasyWP hosting. So they give you like 1 month free to just check out their hosting for a month, like 30 good days for free to check out the hosting. If you want to use the Namecheap hosting, I have a link in the description. Mind you, some of the links are going to be affiliate links, so if there are, just go ahead, sign up. You're not gonna have any problems doing that. So let's just get started. Let's just get into it. First thing you want to do is that you go to Namecheap, and where you have this long URL or however it is where with your hosting company, I want to change that. So I'll click on change right there. And so this is a default URL. Nobody wants this on their site. So I want to use another domain provider, and that is Cloudflare right now. So I'll just select use a domain from another provider, and then I'll enter the domain name that I want to use for this, timelessintel.com. So point your domain name to EasyWP. So what I'm going to do is that I have to create a record in my DNS that will point to EasyWP. So what I want to do is I want to copy this, and so I go to Cloudflare. I have this air record which I was using for another hosting, so I don't need that. So I'll just go ahead and delete that. So once I delete that, I'm going to add a CNAME record or whatever you call it. The other good thing with Cloudflare is that it kind of arranges your DNS settings, kind of groups them properly. So what we want to do is that we want to add the record we just copied from Namecheap. Yes, this guy we just copied from Namecheap. So I'll just copy that, take it to Cloudflare. I will use that for now at the sorry, we need a C. Yes, that's what we need, not a record. So yes, we have that there. Add, and so the target is your thing we copied from Namecheap. So what you want to do is that you want to gray cloud this. If you orange cloud this, it won't be picked up by EasyWP, and if you try to visit your Namecheap website, you're going to find that it's going to tell you website not found. So you want to change this to DNS only by gray clouding this. So this is a mistake most people make. We allow this setting to be proxied by Cloudflare, and then you just can't find. So I'm going to save that. Just save that, leave the TTL on auto, and so that is saved. So I can now go back to Namecheap. Well, I could decide to wait a few seconds, or I could just try this and see if the domain is active. So I want to check if the domain is pointing to EasyWP. I'll go ahead, check. Is pointing. You can now click. All right, so everything is fine and working. It's that simple. I'll now click on change, and so it will change from that long URL we had to this simple, nice, timeless Intel link. All done and dusted, easy peasy. So right now I have connected my domain name to my hosting from Cloudflare. I've connected my domain name from Cloudflare to my hosting, and it is that easy. The other thing that you need to set up will be SSL. You want to edit this and make sure your site is now proxied through Cloudflare. And then I save that. Okay, so this is proxied now through Cloudflare. If I check here, it shows me the connection is not secure. So I just want to go to the SSL, just make sure everything is all set. So this is Cloudflare. So what you want to do is that you want to set this to full. Click on that. And so this is changed to full. I go to the asset certificates. So Cloudflare gives you a free SSL certificate for your website. Okay, HTTPS rewrite set. Always use HTTPS is set, so everything is fine here. So it's just a matter of time before this website is fully able to use the SSL certificate given by Cloudflare. So let me just go to Cloudflare and clear cache, see what's going to happen. So I'll purge everything, purging everything. Then reload the page, see if everything works just fine. Okay, so I just decided to reload the page, Control F5 on a PC, and this is all set up and running. Just a side note here, don't ever try to go tweak the URL inside the general settings in your WordPress. So if you do that, you're going to run into SSL redirect issues. So that is a topic for another day. That's that for this video. If you want to learn how to do blogging, I have a free course inside digitalbizweb that teaches you how to blog. So all you want to do is you go to digitalbizweb.com, so you could go start learning how to do blogging for free. That's that for this video. See you in the next one.